In the beginning, there was the Big Bang. Galaxies and stars formed, and with them, helium, a gas as old as the universe. And it is helium that reveals flaws in the world's most advanced products today. It is so small, it can penetrate microscopic leaks into places that remain unseen, yet already causing problems. Automotive, electronics, medicine, satellites, and nuclear energy. Every industry requires a tailored solution.
At LABTECH, we've lived in the world of vacuum, helium, and leaks for over 35 years. That's why we approach every project with microscopic precision.
We designed the chamber, the vacuum circuit, and the entire measurement system specifically for your product. Every component is tailored to the realities of production. Is the component not perfectly shaped? No problem. The floating adapter adjusts to ensure precise sealing. We address what others overlook: contamination, calibration, and repeat validation. When cleanliness is critical, we build a controlled cleanroom environment. We develop user-friendly software with top-notch graphics tailored exactly to your requirements. We deliver the station ready for operation and train your team. Remote service support is always within reach. And when remote access isn't enough, we come in person. Because even the smallest detail can make all the difference. LABTECH.